Hi everyone, good time. Let's crochet this beautiful granny square. Minnie Mouse or Mickey Mouse granny square. We learned how to crochet the applique like this one in previous tutorial and the link is here. In this tutorial, we're learning how to turn this applique into a granny square. To turn this applique into a granny square, join the yarn on downside and at the center. For example, this one. And join it into the back loop. We need only back loops. Chain 3. This is considered as one double crochet. One double crochet into next stitch, back loop. One double crochet into next stitch, back loop. Into next stitch, create one extended double crochet. It's like this. Yarn over, pull it through the first loop only. Yarn over, pull it through the second 2 loops and the last 2 loops. This is called an extended double crochet. One extended double crochet into next stitch, back loop. Into next stitch, back loop, I'm going to create my first corner. 2 treble crochet, 2 chains, 2 treble crochet. So I'm doing my first treble crochet, another treble crochet into the same stitch or loop. Now chain 2, 2 more treble crochet into the same stitch. Therefore, in the corners, we need to have 2 treble crochet, chain 2, 2 treble crochet. Now, in next stitch, back loop, 1 extended double crochet. One extended double crochet in next stitch, back loop. One double crochet in next 7 stitches. All of them should be in back loops. 1, 2, 3, 7. One extended double crochet in next 2 stitches. And in next stitch back loop, I'm going to create my second corner. For this corner, 2 treble crochet, 2 chains, and 2 more treble crochet into the same stitch. And just repeat this pattern. Extended double crochet in next 2 stitches, Double crochet in next 7 stitches, back loops, extended double crochet in next 2 and creating the next corner, and repeat this pattern, create the last corner too, and until you reach here. I see you there. Almost at the end. Consider in each side we are going to have 7 double crochet on the sides. Now I have 3 double crochet on that side, and I need to add 4 more double crochet, and in total I will have 7 double crochet. And at the end, slip a stitch into the third chain of the first chains. Round 2, chain 3. This is considered as 1 double crochet. 1 double crochet in next 6 double crochets of the previous round. In the corners, 2 double crochet, 2 chains and 2 double crochet. For the sides, 1 double crochet on top of each stitch. We will have 15 double crochet in total. Don't miss the first stitch. Again into the corners, 2 double crochet, 2 chains and 2 double crochet. Repeat the pattern by the end, double crochet on top of each double crochet and 2 double crochet, 2 ch, 2 double crochet into the corners. At the end, slip stitch into the third chain, and consider the number of stitches on 4 sides should be equal. For example, from this corner to the other corner, I'm having 19 double crochet. In previous round, I had 15 double crochet, and in this round, 19 double crochet. And if you want a bigger square, just add another round, similar to round 2. My Minnie Mouse Granny Square is over. Hope you liked this tutorial. To watch the other tutorial, don't forget to subscribe. Happy crochet!